I should be got a troubled mind. It speaks to me now and then, early in the morning or late into the night. I never know why or when. When the black dog comes, I cannot hide, for this black dog, it lives inside. Well, I think too much, at least I think that's true. You know, thinking is the strangest thing. The more I understand, the less I think I know. Oh, how I wish my black dog could sing. When the black dog comes, I cannot hide, for this black dog, it lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside.
It lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside. Well, I have another cup. I take my shoes for a walk. I smell the trees, the grass, and the rain. Whenever I get to thinking that the coast is clear, oh, my black dog returns again. Oh, when my black dog comes, I cannot hide, for this black dog, it lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside.
It lives inside. When the black dog comes, I cannot hide, for this black dog, it lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside.
Yes, it lives inside.